and welcome to this tutorial on dependency scanning, ensuring third-party libraries are free from vulnerabilities. Modern applications rely heavily on third-party libraries, frameworks, and open-source packages. While these dependencies accelerate development, they can also introduce security risks if they contain known vulnerabilities. In this tutorial, we'll explore dependency scanning, how it helps secure software supply chains, the tools used for detecting vulnerabilities, and best practices for integrating security into your development workflow. But before we dive in, let's take a look at today's agenda. In this lesson, we'll cover the following topics: why dependency scanning is essential, understanding the risks associated with third-party libraries, popular dependency scanning tools, exploring tools like OWASP Dependency-Check, SNIKE, GitHub Dependabot, and Trivi. Best practices for securing dependencies, how to integrate scanning into CI/CD workflows and mitigate risks. Most modern applications are built on open-source dependencies and third-party libraries. While these components provide significant benefits, they also introduce potential vulnerabilities. Here's why dependency scanning is crucial. 1. Identifying known vulnerabilities. Vulnerable dependencies can be exploited by attackers, leading to data breaches, system compromises, or unauthorized access. 2. Maintaining compliance. Many security frameworks and regulations, for example, PCI DSS, GDPR, NIST, require organizations to monitor and remediate software vulnerabilities. 3. Reducing technical debt. Outdated or unpatched libraries can create long-term security risks and compatibility issues. 4. Automating security and DevOps. By integrating dependency scanning into CI/CD pipelines, teams can automatically detect and fix vulnerabilities early in the development lifecycle. Now, let's take a look at some widely used dependency scanning tools that help identify and mitigate security risks. 1. OWASP Dependency-Check. A widely used open-source tool that scans dependencies for known vulnerabilities. References the National Vulnerability Database, NVD, to detect common vulnerabilities and exposures, CVEs. Supports Java, Python, JavaScript, .NET, Ruby, and other ecosystems. 2. SNIKE. A cloud-based security tool that provides real-time vulnerability scanning. Offers deep scanning of dependencies across multiple package managers like NPM, Maven, pip, and Gradle. Automated fix suggestions make it easy to patch vulnerabilities. 3. GitHub Dependabot. A built-in security feature of GitHub that automatically scans repositories for outdated dependencies. Notifies developers when a vulnerable package is detected and suggests security updates. Works seamlessly with GitHub Actions to automate security fixes. 4. Trivi. A lightweight vulnerability scanner for container images and software dependencies. Supports multiple languages and package managers like Go, Python, Ruby, and JavaScript. Integrates easily into CI/CD pipelines for continuous scanning. To ensure your third-party libraries remain secure, follow these best practices. Automate dependency scanning. Integrate tools like SNIKE, Dependabot, or OWASP Dependency-Check into your CI/CD pipeline to catch vulnerabilities early. Use minimal and trusted dependencies. Avoid unnecessary dependencies and always choose libraries with active maintenance and security updates. Apply regular security patches. Keep dependencies up to date by monitoring security advisories and applying patches as soon as they become available. Monitor and audit dependencies continuously. Set up regular scanning schedules to detect and address new vulnerabilities in long-running projects. Implement policy-based security controls. Define security policies to block builds if critical vulnerabilities are detected. Let's quickly recap what we've covered in this lesson. We explored why dependency scanning is essential for securing third-party libraries. We introduced popular dependency scanning tools like OWASP Dependency-Check, SNIKE, Dependabot, and Trivi. We discussed best practices for integrating scanning into CI/CD workflows and maintaining secure dependencies. By proactively scanning and managing dependencies, you can reduce security risks, improve compliance, and maintain a secure software supply chain. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.